Hey guys, thanks. Welcome back to my channel. It's Mookie with Infinity Soaps. However, today I come with a review and a well-do review. This guy is amazing. He's an excellent craftsman. He makes ink pens, which I have one of the custom ink pens. This is his glitter one. This was a gift from him. But today is about his Humidor cigar holder. And before I show you this, let me just tell you, this is amazing, especially for all you guys who love to smoke cigars, but either ladies, you put them in your purses in the little bitty wooden containers and they dry up, or you put them at the bottom of your purse and now you got a broke mess. Guys, you throwing them in your pocket smells like a cigar, although hopefully not a smoked cigar because that wouldn't smell so good. However, his name is Myron McGee, and his shop is called M&M Workshop, and I believe it's MAND workshop.com. So go check him out. He also has cutting boards, cheese cutters, ink pens. His ink pens, again, are amazing. They write smooth. If you like calligraphy, he does have a calligraphy line as well. But today, so I ordered this for my daddy, and I contacted Mr. McGee. He had it in, well, he laser engraved it, which came out really good. And also, you know what? Hold on, because he did some other work too. So I might as well just plug him. He makes these leather bands, and this one again was one that he made for me, and it has my name on it and some little symbols. And then here's another one with Phenomenal Woman, because I guess that's what I am. He also makes these beautiful earrings, which this is the Infinity Heart, as well as, I can't get it, but he made me some other little earrings to match my Phenomenal. So, trying to think of what else I have is I can show you. So what he made was this bad boy. I'm telling you, the size, and I'm 5'6", and it's not that big. Hold on, let me give you. It's about as big as a water bottle. Very nice and thick. I believe that's probably 1 inch. So this is what it looks like. Here is the thermometer, the humidity. Hold on, let me get it right. Humidity reader. And here's where he engraved. Now it's engraved offset, so when you sit it down, I don't know if you can see it, when you sit it down, Daddy sticks up, so he'll be able to see. So let me just undo this really quick. So the top separates, and it comes in these 2 pieces. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oops, I got a little lint. I was playing with it last night. So this is what it looks like. And what sets this apart, because he does make another one that does not come with the humidity reader, and is just the 2 pieces, so it's going to be about like this size, but with the little center in there. But anyway, so what sets this apart, because everybody says a humidifier has water, right? Well, he thought of that. So let me just show you. You unscrew the bottom, and here you are. In here, you place a little sponge, and you moisten it, and it keeps your cigar nice and ready. And you can see through here, and of course, you connect it back, which is a beautiful fit. Here's your top. Mine is engraved Daddy. Well, it's not really for me. It's for my daddy, who is not here yet, but I'm sure he'll be impressed with this wonderful craft. And just listen to it. Do you hear that? That's some good hard. I don't know what this is, but it's nice. It's good. It's hard. And I've had the pleasure of visiting his workshop. So, and I literally watched him make some wood pins. This starts out as a block of freaking wood. It is, I don't know what the process, but from what I seen, he cuts it down from a big piece of wood. Then he cuts it down and splits it in two pieces. And I don't know what the machine is called, but he sits there and he does his thing. And this is the end product. This is amazing. I cannot wait to share it. And I cannot wait to share it with you. You hear that? And here it is. And there's the reader. So I'm going to go to the local cigar shop. And I'm probably going to get a nice cigar. Grab me a little sponge and cut it and place it in there. Again, put a little bit of water. Not a lot. You don't want your cigar, nasty. And here it is. So, I live in Vegas, so the temps are hot. I can't have my daddy cigar drying out. So this is perfect for us in this dry climate. And he uses aged wood to prevent cracking, because as the way he explained it to me is when wood is still wet and you produce it into something this beautiful, it will crack. However, he ages his wood, so there is no cracking. And this has been sitting on my dresser for a while now, and it's perfect. Look at the patina. It's nice and brown. But get you one. Again, it's MANDMworkshop.com. Go see him. I'll also put it down in the description so you guys can follow the links and go shop your little hearts out. Again, he has other things. He's crafted his own bedroom set, his like a little, I want to call it a hope chest, but he's a grown-ass man. It ain't no hope chest for him. But it's this big cedar chest that is amazing. And it can hold like your blankets and stuff. And I do know that that is not for sale because that is a big, heavy-ass piece of furniture. His bedroom, his nights, I'm sorry, not his nightstand, his bed, he's also crafted. He crafted another bed, his dining table, everything. This man is amazing. So go check him out. Support your small business. Better yet, support your small black business. You guys have a great day. Deuces.